Hello everyone! Welcome again to my channel. This is Ma'am Nicole, and today for this video, we are going to make adobong atay with boiled egg because we Filipino love to put boiled egg on our adobo. So let's go ahead and start it. So for the ingredients, we are going to need chicken liver. We are going to use garlic. I like to use a lot of garlic. And we are going to use onion, ginger, and dahon ng laurel. We are also going to use some water, soy sauce, vinegar, and here's my boiled egg already peeled. And for the taste, you can just use salt and pepper. Today I'm going to use magic sarap. It's optional because I know a lot of people don't like using MSG on their food, so it's up to you guys. And that's all we need. Let's go ahead and start cooking. Heat some amount of oil in the pot and add the garlic. Add the onion and stir it. Let's go ahead and add the ginger as well. I like using ginger because mawawala yung lasa ng atay. So, use a lot of ginger if you like. Let's go ahead and add our chicken liver. And I know that a lot of people like to marinate their chicken liver before cooking, but what I like to do is gisahin yung atay sa lahat, kasama yung lahat ng sangkap kasi parang mas mawawala yung langsa niya. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add some salt and pepper. I like to add this at the beginning of cooking para mas malinamnam, para mas may lasa yung ilalim ng niluluto mo. Alam mo yun, it's either meat or chicken liver or anything. Ayan. And I am going to add my magic syrup. Again, this is optional, only if you guys like to use magic syrup. And I'm just gonna add my dahon ng laurel, and I will let this boil for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, I'm just gonna give it a mix just to make sure na hindi nasunog yung ilalim, and we're just gonna start and add our water, our soy sauce, and vinegar. So we're just gonna let it boil for 3 minutes. I really like my atay very cooked, guys. Gusto ko talagang lutong-luto siya. Ayoko nung when I like cut it and there's like red inside. So I make sure that it's cooked. So after a few minutes, we just gonna add our boiled eggs. Ayan. And I will let this cook again for another 3 minutes. And it should be done. Here's our adobong atay with boiled egg.
Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Bye.